How many influencer and celebrity ads do you see every single day? I'm guessing that for those of us who spend more time online than we'd like to admit, the number is rather high. Well, the Supreme Court of India has now warned those very same celebrities and influencers that if they are found to be endorsing or promoting a product or service with misleading advertisements, they would be held liable. The court said, and I quote, endorsements by public figures, influencers, celebrities, etc. go a long way in promoting a product, and it is imperative for them to act with responsibility when endorsing any product in the course of advertisements. A bench of Justices Hema Kohli and Asanuddin Amanullah made these observations about the impact of influencer marketing while it was considering the Patanjali case. This is the case where the Indian Medical Association had approached the Supreme Court with a petition alleging that Patanjali Ayurved was engaged in a smear campaign against the COVID-19 vaccine and against modern medicine as a whole. Until now, the Supreme Court was more focused on the misleading ads put out by Patanjali Ayurved and had even gone so far as to summon its founders, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna, to appear before the court personally. But more recently, the court started focusing on the larger issue of misleading ads of all general consumer products. Regarding ads and endorsements on social media, the Supreme Court pointed out that there are Central Consumer Protection Agency guidelines or the CCPA guidelines. These guidelines require influencers to be transparent when they're putting up paid advertisements and to be well informed about the products and services that they're endorsing. The Supreme Court urged influencers to abide by and adhere to these CCPA guidelines to ensure that they do not erode the trust that we, the public, have placed on them. For more on this and other legal news, please do head on to our website and stay tuned to Bar and Bench.